Hi, I'm Dave Kinsare with Proven Winners, and we're here at Cultivate talking about some of our new products for the year. Something I'm really excited about is the brand new Proven Winners 30-second planter. Now, the cool thing about this is it's a pre-made container, so we're taking a lot of the guesswork out for the consumer. They have multiple options for using this. They can take this and drop it right into an existing container that they have at home, and they're done. They can literally have a garden in 30 seconds. Or they can pop the root ball out, plant this in the ground, and boom, they all of a sudden have an amazing looking garden in 30 seconds. So easy for the consumer to use. For that time short, knowledge short consumer that we know is out there, this can simplify that decision-making process for them. We've got it in 3 different sizes coming for 2026, but the 30-second planter we think is going to be a hit for garden centers and with consumers. Another fun, new, exciting product we have is the Eco Plus Grande. We launched this a couple of years ago. It's a 100% plant-based container, 0 plastic. So what we're trying to do is reduce the amount of single-use plastic being used in our industry. This is a new formulation for the 2026 season. Again, fully plant-based. It's industrial compostable, so if somebody has that in their town, they can put that into the industrial composting facility, and it's just going to turn back into inert organic material. So look for the Eco Plus Grande for 2026 plastic-free containers. For more information, visit provenwinners.com or call one of your Proven Winners propagators.